What's up? It's Dmitry from FlexRC, and today I'm proud to introduce you new Ascent X 2.5 inch. Ascent X features X layout, new cage mounting, more space inside of the cage. It also uses front spacer, which will protect camera in case of impact. X layout allows us to align carbon fibers much better, which makes frames much stronger. Also, X layout makes flight characteristics much more stable. New cage design allows us to fit much more electronics inside of the cage and also improves protection of the camera even at extreme angles. Ascent X is just only around 14.5 grams. So full dry weight of this Ascent X 2.5 inch with 1104 7500 kV motors is only 89 grams. Ascent X cage is a bit of a tight fit, so I would like to show you how to install it easily. First of all, you will slide front part like that. Then you will stretch a little bit the rear side and align it with the cutout. It may not go inside easy, so what you will do, you will use some kind of leverage in order to push it from the side like that, and then it will snap inside without the problems. If you are going to install and uninstall it multiple times, then this cutout will loosen up and it will be much easier to reinstall it in the future. Okay, enough talking, let's look at the FPV footage with this guy.